Turning Point Youth Services is an agency focused on providing youth from ages 12 to 24 with residential care, counseling, and support for those in trouble with the law. But right now, the agency and the union representing its workers, CUPE Local 3501, are in contract talks. According to the union, workers have been without a contract for almost 4 years now.
So we're asking basically for a reasonable increase in pay, and we've also requested basically 100% coverage on our cold pay. We continue to work with the employer in trying to, come to a fair, reasonable collective agreement, but we were really bogged down in details around language for a number of months. All we want is a fair collective agreement from the employer.
A strike deadline of December 2nd is looming, and if talks don't go well, a plan of action will need to be made in order to ensure youth have somewhere to stay.
We monitor all organizations that we have contracts with, and if there's situations that come in, for example, we've had strikes with CASs before, children who are actually, in care, young kids, and we make sure that there's a plan in place to ensure that there's no disruption of those services, because, the success of those young people depends on the services they're receiving.
There are currently 9 youth shelters in Toronto. According to the City of Toronto Daily Shelter Census, 510 spots of the 518 are already taken, which begs the question, where will these youth go?
We have met with the city, and we have come up with contingency plans. The city has additional spots that they can go over capacity in other shelters. So that's what we're working on right now. So we're trying to lessen the impact on the youth and families that we work with. Our focus right now is to ensure that we do get an agreement on the Monday so we don't have that impact on the families and the youth that we serve. Because you're right, a lot of our youth suffer from mental health issues and have experienced trauma in their past and are dealing with crisis. So we want to avoid that. We want to work with our staff.
Negotiations are set to take place this Monday. At Turning Point Youth Shelter, Stella Quisto, City News.